Hi, second graders. Sometimes if you made a small mistake in Seesaw, or if I want you to tell me more ideas, I might send some work back to you. And you need to know how to fix it so it's done and I can see your changes. So if I send some work back to you, you might see some messages on your Seesaw screen. First, under your inbox, there's going to be a red number. Remember, last week we talked about how in notifications under your inbox, you can see if I sent something back to you. It says, Teacher Anna Milanowski has sent work back for your review. And Anna Milanowski added a voice comment on your project, so you can hear or read more details about what I want you to fix. Okay? But also, if I sent something back to you, you're going to see it in your journal part, and it's going to be orange as something that you need to fix. Let's see how we would fix something. Okay, so I looked in my inbox and I looked in my notifications, and remember it said Teacher Anna Milanowski has sent work back for your review. I'm going to click that little gray box, and there's the work that I need to fix. And I know I need to fix it because that orange box is there that says Edit. Okay, I'm going to click Edit. Now, here's my mistake. It says 2 plus 8 does not equal 11. I'm going to erase that and write 2 plus 8, oh I know, equals 10. Okay, so now I can press the green check and resubmit it because it's correct. And now it says waiting for teacher approval, so Miss Milanowski can check it. I forgot to show you one thing. Remember when we went under inbox and we looked at notifications? And it said Miss Milanowski has left a voice comment. Well, second graders, I spent some time looking over your work, and I might give you directions with my voice or with my words that you need to check out. So I'm going to click that too. Oh, down at the bottom are my comments. Let's listen.
Hello, that's not quite right. Please go back, edit this post, and try again.
Okay, so then...
Hello, that's not quite...
Then you can see what was the mistake in this Seesaw assignment or what I want you to go back and fix. Because oftentimes you don't need to fix the whole thing, just one little thing. So, second graders, when you're in Seesaw and you notice that red number under your inbox, or you notice an orange box that says edit, it's time to go back in and fix it. Be sure to look at the bottom to see if I left you voice comments or words to tell you what to fix. And be sure to click the green check once you've changed your answer. If you're not sure what's wrong or what to fix, you should ask me during work time.